Ever feel like your brain's stuck in a fog, struggling to focus, or just not as sharp as it used to be? You're not alone. We all have those days where our thoughts feel scattered and our memory plays tricks on us. But what if I told you the key to unlocking a sharper mind, incredible memory, and a better mood isn't in a pill, but right here, in your gut? It sounds wild, but today we're rediving deep into one of the most exciting fields in science, the gut-brain axis. We'll reveal how your digestive system holds the surprising power to transform your cognitive abilities and unlock your ultimate self. So, what exactly is this gut-brain axis? Think of it as a superhighway of communication, a constant, two-way conversation between your gut and your brain. They're connected physically and biochemically through millions of nerves, primarily the vagus nerve, which acts like a direct data cable. But it's not just nerves. It's a complex network involving hormones, the immune system, and some very special residents of your gut. I'm talking about your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi living in your digestive tract. For a long time, we thought these microbes were just along for the ride, helping us digest food. But we now know they are a bustling metropolis, a second brain that profoundly influences how our first brain up in our head actually works. These tiny organisms produce hundreds of neurochemicals that the brain uses to regulate basic functions. For example, did you know that over 90% of your body's serotonin, the famous feel-good hormone that regulates mood, anxiety, and happiness, is produced in your gut? That's right. The state of your gut directly impacts your emotional well-being. When your gut microbiome is out of balance, a state called dysbiosis, it can lead to lower serotonin levels, contributing to feelings of sadness or anxiety. But it goes beyond just mood. Let's talk about brain fog, that frustrating feeling of mental cloudiness. This is often linked to inflammation. An unhealthy gut, often caused by a poor diet high in processed foods and sugar, can lead to a condition called leaky gut. This is where the lining of your intestines becomes permeable, allowing undigested food particles and toxins to leak into your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these as invaders and mounts an inflammatory response. This inflammation isn't just localized. It can travel throughout your body and cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to neuroinflammation. And what's a key symptom of neuroinflammation? You guessed it, brain fog, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. So, that mental sludge you feel after a week of unhealthy eating, it's not just in your head. It started in your gut. Now for the really exciting part, memory and learning. Our ability to form new memories and learn new skills relies on something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your brain cells. It supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones, a process called neurogenesis. And guess what plays a huge role in producing BDNF? A healthy, diverse gut microbiome. Studies have shown that a balanced gut flora can significantly boost BDTs, like having a team of gardeners in your gut, tending to the soil that allows your brain to flourish and grow stronger connections. A healthier gut literally means a more plastic, adaptable, and powerful brain, better equipped to store memories and learn new information. So if our gut is so powerful, how do we take care of it? It's simpler than you might think, and it doesn't require a complete life overhaul. The number one rule is to feed your good gut bacteria what they love to eat. And what they love are prebiotics. Prebiotics are types of dietary fiber found in many fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Think garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, oats, and apples. These fibers pass through your system undigested until they reach your colon, where your gut microbes feast on them. This process creates beneficial compounds called short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, which is a superstar for both gut and brain health. Butyrate strengthens the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and even supports brain function directly. Next up, let's talk about probiotics. These are the live beneficial bacteria themselves. You can get them from fermented foods, which are packed with these helpful microbes. Think yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet helps to diversify your gut microbiome, making it more resilient and robust. A diverse microbiome is a healthy microbiome. Imagine a rainforest with thousands of different species versus a sterile field with just one type of plant. The rainforest is far more stable and healthy, and the same goes for your gut. Beyond diet, managing stress is absolutely crucial. Remember that gut-brain highway. Stress is a gridlock-causing traffic jam. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals that can negatively impact your gut, affecting digestion and the balance of your gut bacteria. Conversely, an unhealthy gut can send stress signals back to the brain, creating a vicious cycle. So, practices like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even just taking a walk in nature can have a profound, positive impact on your gut health, which in turn calms your brain. It's a beautiful, self-reinforcing loop of well-being. Finally, don't underestimate the power of sleep and exercise. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and that includes your gut. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep gives your digestive system a chance to rest and recover. Exercise, even moderate activity like a brisk walk, has been shown to increase the diversity of your gut bacteria and promote the growth of beneficial species. It gets things moving, both literally and figuratively, boosting your mood and your gut health simultaneously. So, let's recap the mission for a sharper mind. It's not about a magic bullet, it's about nurturing the incredible ecosystem within you. Start by adding more fiber-rich and fermented foods to your plate. Your gut microbes will thank you by producing compounds that clear brain fog, boost your mood, and sharpen your memory. Take a few minutes each day to distress. Your vagus nerve will send calming signals up and down that superhighway. Prioritize a good night's sleep and move your body in a way that feels good. The connection between your gut and brain is a powerful testament to how interconnected our bodies are. The journey to a better brain, a happier mood, and a more vibrant you begins with showing your gut a little love. It's a simple shift in perspective that can unlock profound changes. You have the power to rewire your health from the inside out. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the gut-brain axis. I hope this has inspired you to think differently about your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let me know what small change you are going to make for your gut health this week. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.